Your account is more than just a username and password. It's where your assets live. That's why security matters more than ever. Protecting your account is protecting your investment. With 2FA, you add extra protection. It's simple and essential. Let's set up 2FA in a few simple steps, so only you have access every time. We click on the profile icon at the top left of the screen. Click on the Security option in the menu. On the new page, you'll see that the Google Authentication option is marked as not linked, which means 2FA is not yet activated. To enable it, click on the option. On the next page, you will see the Google Authenticator app, which you can download from the App Store or Google Play. After downloading and installing the Google Authenticator app, copy the 16-digit code and paste it into the app to generate the 2FA code. Enter your account password and the 6-digit code from the app, then click Next to complete the process. Your two-factor authentication, 2FA, has been activated. You can now see Enabled under the Google Authentication option.